Okay, now by the activity we have to understand a meal could consist which items. Okay, by the activity we have to understand. Our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Okay, our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grains, some kind of grain. Other item could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetables. Okay, our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Other items could be a dal. Other items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetable. It may also include items like curd, buttermilk and pickles. Some examples of meals from different regions are given. Okay, by the activity we have to easily understand our meals usually have at least one item made of grain, and other items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetables. Okay, different region people will be eat the different food. Already we know in the first chapter we are discussing. Okay, include items in the meals. Include items. Some of the people are eat will be curd, buttermilk and pickles. Some examples of meals from different regions given. Okay, you have to make a list of meals from different regions. Okay, different region means different states. They will eat the different food items. Okay, already we are discussed in the, for suppose if we take the Maharashtra means they will eat the chapati, roti. Andhra Pradesh means they will eat rice and dal, rasam, like that they will eat. Okay, you have to make a list of region and items of grain and which is a food item. Okay, here I am going to give the one list. Okay, this is a list. Some common meals of different region states. Some common meals of different regions or states. First column, region or state. First column, region or state. Second column, item of grain. Second column, which one? Item of grain. Third column, item of dal, meat. Okay, meat is a dish. Item of dal, meat. And fourth column, vegetables. Fourth column, vegetables and others. Okay, now for suppose if we have take the Punjab state, region is a region Punjab. In Punjab, item of grain is a makki, corn. Makki means corn. Okay, roti, makki, corn, roti. And item of dal or meat, rajma. Rajma, kidney beans. Okay, kidney beans, rajma, kidney beans. Item of dal, meat, rajma, kidney beans. Vegetables, which vegetables they are using? Sarson, saag, mustard leaf curry. That mustard leaves also they are using the as a curry. Okay, that vegetables, sarson, saag and mustard leaves also they will use this curry. Next, others. Other what they will use? Curd and ghee. Curd and ghee also they will use in the meals. Next, this is about the Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Second state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh state item of grain. Which grains they will use? Rice. Rice they will use. And third column, item of dal or meat. Item of dal, meat, tuar dal and rasam. Rasam also they will use. Tuar dal also they will use. Rasam means charu. Okay, and vegetables. Which vegetables they will use in Andhra Pradesh? Kunduru. Kunduru means dondakai. Kunduru means dondakai. Okay, other items. Other items, which items they will use in the meals? buttermilk they will use, and ghee also they will use. Pickles, avakai pickle is a very famous in Andhra Pradesh. They will use a avakai pickle. Most of the Andhra people they will use the pickle is a avakai. Okay, so this is a related to mango pickle. This is about the some regions, some common meals of different regions. Okay, what they in different regions they will eat the different meals. Now here sometimes we may not really have all this variety in our meals. Yes, sometimes we may not really have all these varieties in our meals. If we are traveling, we may eat whatever is available on the way. It may not possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the time. Yes, for suppose all times these food items sometimes we may not really have all these variety in our meals. Why? Because if we are in journey means, if we are in traveling means, we did not get these food items. Okay, in that area which items are available, that only we have to eat in journey. If we are traveling means we have to use the items, which items that area which items are available, that items only we have to eat. It may not be possible for some of us. Yes, it is not possible to us in traveling to eat such a variety of items most of the time. Most of the times such a variety of items we did not eat. Why? Because due to the area. There must be some reason though. Why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose. Okay, different foods are using in that one. Why we are using that one? Because body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose. Okay, there must be some reason though why meals usually consist of such a distribution. Our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose. We need the different kinds of food. Yes or no? Only daily, if you have eat only daily one kind of food means our body not work properly. Why? Because our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose. We need the vitamins, we need the proteins, we need the carbohydrates, we need the fats also. Okay, so different kinds of food we have to use. Okay, remaining we have to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you all of you.